I am doing a room tour of the Omni Hotel in Fort Lauderdale. We are in room 1547 with a city view. So when you first come in, get the lights situated. There is closet space right here. Open. You have your robes, ironing board, safe, and drawer space. Oh, actually not a safe, but you can lock. You can lock it. That's nice. Extra blanket, pillows, hangers, laundry bag. So this side is the bathroom with a sliding barn door. Figure out how to turn these lights on. There we go. Alright, so toilet area. Beautiful sink, shower. These are the products that they use. Comes with shampoo and shower gel. Over here you have more storage. Ice bucket, water, cups, coffee machine. Make everybody who loves coffee in the morning, you can make your coffee. Mini fridge. Desk with seating area, flat screen TV, nice size. This side here is the bed, one nightstand. Two? There's one over there? Oh, okay. Temperature control, light switches, artwork. It's real cute in here. So they do have a lot of outlets in here. You got some right here behind the bed. I love this chair. This is so cute. Oh, okay. So another little nightstand here. More plugs, USB, USB-C. Lamp, seating, extra seating, and the view. It's a little bright out there, but there we go. Yes. And this is a view of the room so you can see how spacious it is. And that is a king. Is this a king suite? Okay, king suite, floor 15, Omni Hotel, Fort Lauderdale.